All right, guys, let's talk about the TUD stablecoin. All right, I know that you've probably never heard of this stablecoin before, and I feel glad to be the one that will introduce this to you. It's an algorithm stablecoin, and I called it algorithm stablecoin 2.0. And listen, guys, I'm going to explain why I said it is algorithm stablecoin 2.0. So what we've been having in the industry, they are algorithm stablecoin 1.0, and they are full of deficiencies. All right. I will recall that I think last year we had the peg of USD stablecoin, okay, which is an official stablecoin within the Terra ecosystem. So the peg affected the Luna, okay, and it crashed, and Luna now became a Luna Classic right now. Now, all of these problems, of stable coins getting the peg, losing its value in the market, and causing a lot of chaos in the crypto world. Last year, when USD crashed, it crashed with several billions of traders and investors and funds. Now, this is a team that have gone through a deep research. They've done a lot of research to come up with this idea, this novel innovation of an algorithm stable coin 2.0. Now, before I go into that, let me briefly go through some. Let me walk you through a brief introduction. All right, the concept of using a token or a coin to mint a stable coin is not new. Okay, it's not new. So as far back as 18th centuries, 16th centuries, during the era of the goldsmiths, when people will actually take their gold, silver, copper, nickel, they will take it to the goldsmith in exchange for a note, a promissory note, a paper note. Then they can use that note to easily and conveniently make transaction in the world, any part of that ecosystem. Now, fast forward to probably 18th centuries to 19th centuries. So we had banks. Okay, we had central banks, and central banks actually produce paper currency that is being backed by gold. Okay, then I think fast forward to 1971. US was the first country that actually made that move, that dollar could be printed at will, okay, at will, without being backed by gold anymore. So that actually led to a collapse of the US dollar, and this is the reason why quite a number of countries across the world lost interest in dollars. Okay, so in a similar concept, it's not new. Minting stable coin with another coin is not new. All right, so now this concept was now innovated, and improved upon by the cryptocurrencies and the blockchain across the world. Okay, in a similar way, they can use Maker to mint DAI stablecoin, or Ethereum to mint DAI stablecoin. So in the same way, you are going to be using TwoX, 2x, and Ethereum tokenized wrapped BTC, and other valuable assets to mint TWD coin, stable coin. Now, you're going to be asking questions like, how does this really, differentiate itself? How does it really stand out from the existing stable coins that you have? Okay, so the history of fiat currency is that, the earlier history is that you are going to use something as collateral, okay, to get paper money. That is the idea of what the goldsmith did, back in the early days. So the concept of collateral also apply to stablecoin. Okay. Now talking about collateralization of stablecoin, a stablecoin can be collateralized by Bitcoin, which is the new form of digital gold, by Ethereum, by the native token. In this case, it's going to be TWX token, which is a 2x token. All right. So now, if you want to mint this stable coin, you're going to have to buy TWOX token from the primary market or from the normal market. Then you send it to the protocol, and the protocol will now generate uh, a kind of LP. You know what LP is? When you use your money to supply liquidity on DEX, and they give you a kind of receipt. Okay, an LP is a receipt. Is a receipt that, oh, you've actually deposited this amount of money. So if you want to retrieve that money back from the blockchain or from the smart contract, you have to send that receipt across, which is the LP token, to redeem your real asset. So in a similar way, um, you're going to be getting a kind of receipt when you supply your coin to mint TWX, which is the 2x. Um, if you supply to TWX, okay, you're going to be getting TUSD, and also you're going to be getting a receipt for that you can use to participate probably in other in other ecosystem. All right, so these are things that benefit. This is the benefit of the TUD. Okay, if you are using TUD, there's a lot of benefits attached to it. Now there is an arbitrage opportunity, okay, in case whereby the price of TUD is more than $1 or lesser than $1. Okay, it's not going to be a much different. Probably like with trading as only be $1.04, $1.02, or probably at $98 and sorry, at 98 cents, 97 cents, So that's that plus or minus 3 could be there, and that will create an arbitrage opportunity. And when to that spot that arbitrage gap, okay, automatically they will fill it up. Okay, that is the essence of the arbitrage traders. Now, also, the broker realizes when there is a shortage, when the supply is low, because it is algorithm, okay, it is built by a smart contract, okay, to solve the existing problem. The existing problem is that when a stablecoin depegs, it is kind of difficult to make them peg again, okay, to repeg them. So, but this contract is built in such a way that once there is okay, it's built in such a way that when there is a depeg, okay, it will go to some other decentralized exchanges to open a probably, let me say there is a depeg, it could open a kind of long position to edge it, okay, to edge that position. So it is an automatic, it's an automated process. All right, so there is an inbuilt contract. We have a settlement contract right there, that will actually enforce these rules. Okay, that will enforce these rules. So, and once those rules are enforced, definitely there's going to be an edge. Okay, that edge will make sure that even if there is a slight depeg, it's not going to have a much impact on the value of TUD. All right. So, and there's a lot of demand and supply. All right. So when the supply of when the TUD is above the peg, all right, it will sell some 2x token, okay, to rebalance it, and vice versa. So algorithm stablecoin, they are really here to stay, obviously, and it is having the version 2.0 of those algorithm stablecoins is long overdue, and I'm glad that the TUD, is going to be leading that pack. Okay, it's going to be leading that pack as far as this new protocol, this new solution, as I know, as far as this new great idea is concerned. So, and guys, you can check out the websites. Check the video description for the website of 2WX protocol. Check the video description, and also you can check the comment box to for other details about this project. So, guys, feel free to check this out. I'm not the financial advisor. Okay, and this is for educational purpose, obviously. So, but guys, check it out and make your own conclusion by yourself. Okay, join them on Discord. Check them out on Twitter. Check their website, their document, and see if this actually makes sense to you. What do you think about the next version of stable coins? Algorithm stable coins in general. What do you think about them? Feel free, guys, to let me know in the comment box. Thank you.